Hey everybody, this is Steve, and we're back. Based on our survey earlier this summer, which over 500 people filled out, it's clear just how much Be the Bee has helped families and communities across the church. So as we get ready to start a new ministry year in September, we're ready with a brand new season of Be the Bee. We've got about 40 episodes in the works to help you be the bee and live orthodoxy each and every day. And to maximize the value that you get from each episode, we're going to prepare workbooks and lesson plans to accompany each video. That's just one of the daily resources we have in the works. Videos and podcasts and curricula to help you develop your love for Christ. That's new material, 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday, week after week. And each week starts every Monday with a brand new episode of Be the Bee. New episodes will premiere every Monday night beginning August 24th. Watch the episodes, share them with your friends and family, and most importantly, put what you learn into practice. Let's make the most of this ministry year. Let's deepen our love for Christ and act like Christians every moment of every day together as the church. And it all starts Monday with the season premiere of Be the Bee.